Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stop your microphone from auto-adjusting volume in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead over to your search bar and type down Control Panel. Okay, click on it, and once done, make sure that under View By, it is set to Large Icons. Now, go ahead and click on Sound. Wait for this pop-up. Okay, we can go ahead and close Control Panel now. Now, go to Recordings. And in here, make sure that you disable microphones that you don't actually use. Okay, for example, this one right here. I'm going to right click on it and click on Disable. All right, and do make sure that the ones that you wanted to use is set to default. Okay, let's say this one, I wanted to make this one as the default. Okay, click on it and just click on Set Default. Okay, and once that's done, what you'll do is just right click on the microphone that you wanted to use. Click on Properties. Now go ahead over to Advanced right here. And make sure that this one is unticked. Allow applications to take exclusive control and disable audio enhancements. Okay. And once that's done, just hit on apply and hit on OK. And you should be good to go. Now, if you're still having a problem, it might be an issue with the app that you're currently using or a third-party app. For example, you have Steam and Discord. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and open up Steam real quick. And in here, as you can see, let's go ahead over to Steam, Settings, and Sound or Voice right here. Click on it, scroll all the way down and click on Show. And in here, as you can see, we have automatic volume gain control. You can disable it. As you can see here, I have mine disabled. And once done, you can go ahead and test it out. Now for Discord, open up Discord right here. Now what you'll do is just go ahead over to the gear icon that says Settings. Okay. Now what we'll do is just go ahead and find Voice and Video right here. And make sure that it is set to Custom. Advanced gain control here as well is disabled. Okay, just like so. And once done, close it and you should be good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.